Welcome back to my series on easy makeup tips for mature women, and today we're going to tackle eyeliner. Hi, I'm Dawn with Just Doing My Best, and if you've been here before, I'm so glad you're back. If you're new here, I'm here every week with a brand new video for women over 40 and women over 50 who just want to look and feel our very best. And I am in the middle of this series on easy makeup tips for mature women. And if you've seen any of the videos before, I'd love to know what you think. If you haven't, I have covered blush, foundation and powder, concealer, and today we're going to talk about eyeliner. I think eyeliner can be a little tricky when we get over 40 and over 50 because our face is changing, so we really need to be strategic when we apply eyeliner. So when I say we have to be strategic, what I mean is, and you've probably already noticed it, that as we're getting older, and like I said, I'm over 50, our face is falling, so we need to be strategic. We need to be mindful about how we apply our makeup. And really, that's the reason for this whole series, that I just want to cover really simple makeup tips, really simple makeup application, nothing overcomplicated, not 100 steps. So we're going to apply eyeliner strategically today, and I'm going to show you how I apply my eyeliner, and I'm going to give you a great cheat, and then I'm going to combine the two. Now in the description below this video, I want you to go below. I will link one or two of my favorite eyeliners, and this is one of my favorites right here. And I really like eyeliners that you can twist up to get them longer, that you have to do minimal sharpening. You obviously can sharpen, and this one does come with a little sharpener, but you know, it's like, if you can avoid it, it's just one more step. It's just one more thing to keep up with. So I really like the ones that minimal sharpening is needed, that you can just kind of twist it up to make it a little bit longer, and then you can kind of manipulate it the way you like it. So in the description below this video, you'll find all the ones that I really like. Now, I keep saying this throughout this series of easy makeup tips for mature women, and that is, and I hate to keep saying it, but it's the truth, our face is falling. So when you apply eyeliner, when we were younger, we were in our 20s and our 30s, we used to be able to apply eyeliner and be able to come all the way out here, right? You could come out to the side. But what happens is, if you go out to the side now with your eyeliner, that's great when you're looking up. But then when you look head on, it's all going to come down here. So what I want you to do is I want you to go up a little bit further, and I'm going to show you how I do it. But basically what you're going to do is find this lash line at the bottom, and you're going to kind of extend it up. That's what you're going to do. So you're going to tilt so that you can do that, and you're going to take this bottom lash line and you're going to extend it up with your eyeliner. So a couple of things that you'll see when I show you how I put my eyeliner on, not only am I extending that lash line up, but I'm also kind of coming back down and creating a little bit of a triangle. So I'm going to go up and then come back down. I'm going to fill that triangle in, and then you'll see that I'm only going to line the top lash, or the top lash line, only about 2/3 of the way. And then I'm going to blend that really, really well. It just creates a really great soft look. So you're not seeing eyeliner. It's not such a stark line, which is what I don't want. I just always want my makeup to look like me, but better. So I don't like that stark line. I like to be able to blend that. And also, the further you go in, that skin right in there is thinner, it's crepier, it tends to drag more, and it's just a lot of room for error. So a great way to have it just look really beautiful and a really soft look is to just line to about 2/3 of the way over, and then just blend that really, really well. Okay, now, if you're saying, okay, I see it, I got the whole concept, but I just don't know if I can do it. I just don't know if I've got a steady hand. Or you're saying, you know what, sometimes I just don't want to go through all that trouble, but I still want a little definition. That's where I really like a great eyeshadow stick. Now, when you use these eyeshadow sticks, you'll see that they're kind of chubby. So you're not going to get that defined look like you would with an eyeliner. So you really want to stay away from the corners. You're just going to do the top and then the bottom, staying away from the corners, because remember, it's going to fall. So it's super chubby and it's going to fall. It's going to look like you made a big mistake over here. So just stay to the top, stay to the underneath, stay away from the sides, and then I like to pick a great kind of muted color. I like this one is a bronze, something in a copper, a gray would be pretty, just something that's kind of middle of the road that you can blend. I stay away from the ones that are super dark or super bright so I can blend, give myself just a little bit of smoky definition once I add my mascara, and it's a beautiful look without having to worry that, oh gosh, I just can't get the hang of an eyeliner. But I really want some really pretty definition. Stay to the top, stay to the bottom, stick with a muted color, stay away from the corners, and I think you'll be beautiful using an eyeshadow stick. Okay, now I've showed you how I use the eyeliner and I've showed you how I use the eyeshadow stick. Now I want to show you how I combine the two, and I do it in two different ways. And if you're getting value from this, I really hope that you'll like this video and give this video a thumbs up. I appreciate it so much. So with the eyeshadow stick, a lot of times I will put the eyeshadow stick on the top and then I will put the eyeliner over top of it. And that way, once I kind of blend that in a little bit, I've really got an eye that I really love and I don't have to do much more. So I will put that eyeshadow stick on, just like I said, staying away from the corners, and then I will go ahead and do the eyeliner just like I showed you earlier. So when I blend that, it's a really beautiful look. It's a great smoky eye without having to do a whole lot of eyeshadow. I love that look. It's just one of my favorite ways to combine both the eyeshadow stick and the eyeliner. And the other thing that I do, because I said that I don't like eyeliner at the bottom, I just think it's super harsh, I will do my eyeliner at the top just like I did today. There's no shadow stick at the top. I just did the eyeliner at the top and then I just do the eyeshadow stick at the bottom just for a little definition, because I just think eyeliner at the bottom can be so harsh, and I always stick with brown. I don't like black eyeliner. I think especially as we're getting older, as we're losing the color in our face, I think black can be really harsh and I want to avoid that altogether. So even though I only stick with a brown or a bronze or a copper, because of my coloring, I like to avoid black altogether. You might stick with more of a gray or a gray blue or a gray green, something like that. But because I don't love a lot of eyeliner at the bottom, I think it can look harsh no matter what color we use. I like just a soft sweep of that eyeshadow stick underneath, blend it a little bit, just for a little definition, just a little bit, and then I apply my mascara, and that's the way my eyeliner is probably 90% of the time. Now, I absolutely think that you can do the eyeliner the way I did, where you go up, do the triangle, come 2/3 of the way over, and then blend it in a little bit. But you know what? If you're just having those days where you just go, oh gosh, you know what? That's just too much for me. Absolutely try the eyeshadow stick. I think you can just absolutely rock that and be beautiful. And on those days when you want just a little bit more, do the eyeshadow stick and then apply the eyeliner right over the top. If you liked this, please leave me a comment and let me know. Like this video and definitely share it with your friends. I would really appreciate that. Find this whole series on easy makeup tips for mature women. And for now, go out today and do your best and be blessed.